you are going to love the 2016 Buick Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.